Somewhere in your life, you have seen this bird, or at the very least, heard it. And if you think you know everything about it, what I am about to tell you will leave you absolutely astonished. Every remarkable life begins in the most fragile of places. 3 hungry mouths, wide open, trembling with urgency. These blind, helpless hatchlings will demand everything their parents have. Every insect, every berry, every waking moment. Watch closely, and you will see something quite beautiful. They take turns. One drinks while the other watches. One eats while the other waits. This is not coincidence. This is trust. A pair bond that can last an entire lifetime. And in the wild, that lifetime stretches to 11 remarkable years. Meet the red-vented bulbul, a bird so ordinary in appearance, yet extraordinary in every single way it chooses to live. The bulbul is what naturalists call a generalist forager. Fruits, berries, nectar, soft insects, nothing is beneath its consideration. Unlike many of its cousins, the red-vented bulbul does not migrate. It has no need to. Gardens, scrublands, forest edges, village rooftops, wherever humans have settled across the Indian subcontinent, the bulbul has followed. It preens its feathers with the quiet confidence of a creature that knows exactly where it belongs. The bold black crest rising from its head, a mark of calm elegance. The deep red beneath its tail, its hidden signature, revealed only to those patient enough to look.